Hi, this is Arish Kinney from Hidden Hills, and welcome to How to Defeat the Yeast Beast 101. Do you know what antibiotics do to your gut microbiome? And do you even know what the gut microbiome is? Today you will find out. Deep inside your belly is a whole world you can't see. It's called the gut microbiome. It's full of living things like microbes, but don't worry, most of these microbes are good. Antibiotics are a very powerful medicine. They're designed to kill bad microbes, but they can also kill the good ones too, which can leave the gut unprotected so the bad microbes could grow too much. I decided to investigate which works better, the natural antimicrobial substances or standard antibiotics. Natural antimicrobial substances come from nature. They're not as strong as antibiotics, but they can keep things in balance. We investigated this through yeast and bread dough, with the bread dough acting as the gut microbiome and the yeast acting as the bad microbes. Yeast uses cellular respiration to make carbon dioxide. The more carbon dioxide, the more the bread rises. And if the bread rises less, the respiration is lower. That means the yeast isn't functioning or isn't growing much. Now let's dive into the variables. I tested how the natural antimicrobial substances of different pHs affect the fungal growth, with the independent variable being the pH and the dependent variable being the fungal growth. The natural antimicrobial substances ranged from highly acidic to highly alkaline, including clove, garlic, ginger, and oregano. I predicted that natural antimicrobial substances with extremely high pHs or extremely low pHs will cause the bread dough to rise the least because it prevents cellular respiration and prevents the yeast from growing. In my experiment, I made four identical bread doughs with yeast, adding the same amount of natural antimicrobial substance into each dough. Next, I proofed the dough, putting it in a warm environment to speed up cellular respiration and let it rise. This is the graphs that have both the height and the volume of the bread doughs. I found that clove, highly acidic, reduced more fungal growth in the long term, while oregano, highly alkaline, had a quicker impact. My hypothesis was correct. So, what's so special about these natural antimicrobial agents? Natural antimicrobial weaken microbes by blocking their communication, which is quorum sensing. Without it, they can't grow or reproduce, which causes infections. So, eating natural antimicrobials daily can protect our health. After taking antibiotics, they can support gut recovery. Together, they can help the gut being balanced and strong. Thank you for listening. Bye. Make sure to stay healthy.